So, would you like to make $450 per sale? You see over here on my screen, I have made over 6 sales today. Basically 6 sales and $2,700 in profit, basically net affiliate commissions. So, affiliate marketing is really simple once you understand what you're doing, what is your strategy, who is your audience, what do they want, and what is the emotional gap, what is missing in between. Once you understand that, then you can have success, then you can have results and make money online promoting different products, right? It doesn't matter, you are in the weight loss, make money online, investment, Bitcoin, hobby niches, right? Roofing, doesn't matter. There are many niches and people are always looking for solutions to the pain and problems. And once you understand that, you can position your landing page, your blog, whatever you're using, right, in a correct manner. I see most affiliates are doing this biggest mistake. They just copy and paste things, right? They buy a course for $2,500. They watch and sit through the darn course on their ass for 8 weeks and nothing happens. Why? Because they are not taking any action. I mean, they're not getting any kind of framework that actually works for the individual like me and you, right? Because if you're watching this video, I'm sure that you want to make at least $500 per day or at least $250 per day. If you do the math, maybe $100 a day is not a lot of money for some of you watching this video right now, but $100 per day, it's also $3,000 per month. Now what you can do with extra 3,000 US per month, right? Maybe you can pay off your mortgage, maybe you can pay your car payments, maybe you can take your kids or family on vacations, right? Doesn't matter. There are many things you could do, but you have to take some kind of action. Now, I don't like courses. I'm not selling any courses because courses, they don't give you any support. They don't give you hand holding, right? And most serious people, and I think you're serious because you're watching this video, most serious individuals, they don't have much time on their hand. They want something done for them, done together with them, so they can escalate and also scale up their profits every single day. So what I did is basically, I delved into one niche. In this case is in the health and wellness, basically weight loss space, right? But what do I basically do? What do I do to make these sales that you can see over on my screen, right? Listen to this. Most ClickBank gurus are telling you go straight for the sale. All perfect, all nice, no problem, right? You can make money this way. But the problem is on the back end. What happens with the people once they visit your landing page or pre-sale page? They don't get pre-sold, they don't buy, they opt out. What happens with them? They don't buy, you lose them, right? You waste some money, you waste some money basically away, right? With your ads. So what you can do, which is basically what I'm doing and what I'm teaching and showing others how to do, is collect the emails at the end, right? So you have a landing page, you go straight for the direct sale, and you have the option for the people who did not buy to opt in on your email list and start buying, nurturing that list and start buying extra products in the same day, maybe next week, maybe next month, right? So you can make consistent, profitable, sustainable business model. Let me ask you this. If you're buying, and I'm sure you have so many ClickBank millionaire gurus selling you this idea that yes, you don't need the list, right? You don't need the list. But what you see them doing is they're actually selling you from the email lists, right? So you have to be smart. You have to understand how things work, right? Works basically. If you want to make money, if you want to make $1,000 per day or $1,000 per week or month, doesn't matter, right? Up to you. Then you need to think about long term, right? You need to not only think today's money, but also tomorrow's and next month money, right? If you are a serious person, if you are thinking as a business person, right, and have a business mindset, not a get rich quick mindset, then you will do it correctly, right? You will do this business correctly, which is, I'm telling people, if you want to make $500 per day, right, it's not that hard, really not that hard. You don't have to own a product. You can go on ClickBank today, you choose a product which pays $450 commissions, or let's say $200 commissions, or $100 commissions. You go and promote that offer on the front end, you make some sales, you make good money, and then, if you're smart, my friend, what you do then is you collect emails, you nurture the list a little bit, and next week you make $3,000 or $4,000 more just from list, right? I come to the point where I don't have to run ads anymore if I don't want to. Why? Because I have a list. I have the asset, right? Like this house I'm staying in right now, it's real estate, it's asset, right? It's asset, it's something it's tangible, you can touch and you can own, right? So the same thing is with your email list. If you know how to nurture it and combine both direct sell plus email, you win. Why? Because most people are not doing that. Most affiliates are not doing that. They are just going straight for the sell and saying, oh, I didn't make sell today, right? And crying. Of course, because they are not following correct mentorship. They don't have someone to mentor them. So they waste time, they waste extra money. They are thinking about it. They are procrastinating. They are waiting. Nothing happens, right? They waste 2, 3, 4 months. Nothing happens, right? They make no money, right? So if you really want to make money as you're watching this video, then please click the links below this video. You can connect with me personally, one-on-one, and I'm sure there are not many gurus nowadays who are willing to pick up the phone to speak with you if you're serious, right? There are not many people who are willing to even chat you, DM you back on Instagram, right? Many of those guys, they don't do that, right? They don't want you as someone to have a personal relationship with as a human being, right? They usually see people as a number. So that's what's important. It's up to you. Now you are on the crossroad, right? You want to buy another course on ClickBank, like learn from some guru that's going to promise you new Lambo next week, or you want to have a sustainable business on the other hand and start having serious income. Let's say $200 per day first, the next milestone next week, $400 per day, and so on and so forth. If you take this correctly, and I don't know what's important to you, what is important to you about building this affiliate marketing business? Is it your family? Is it your wife, husband, partner, your mom, your dad, or just you? You want a better lifestyle, you want a new car. As you can see in other videos, I bought a car with only affiliate commissions, but I took it very seriously. You see, this is not get rich quick scheme, it's get rich for sure scheme, right? Where you can go and start applying what I'm teaching you, what I'm showing you together with me, and start having results, right? Maybe at some other time with someone else, you bought some products, you bought some courses, you did not get results because courses do not deliver results, right? They make you to sit on your ass for 8 straight weeks, watching some videos, doing nothing that is basically tangible, and then you're wondering why nothing happens, why you didn't make any money in those 8 weeks, right? So on the other hand, if you want to have someone to guide you through step by step, then click the link below this video. You can reach out to me. Also, you can find me here on my Instagram, as you can see, right? Just follow me here and I will accept you and send you personal DM message. Just reach out to me, okay? And if you have any more questions, let's connect and let's make something happen. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.